I'm disconnecting it right now, and when I hit launch, this is really cool. I want you to save your spot. Is it facing that way?
Facing the wall now.
Okay, yeah, because I figured that way.
Yeah,
It's not good.
on camera.
Yep. Okay, so basically we coded it, and let's see what it does. Just to do some somersaults, some flips. Let's watch. Okay, you guys, a little help. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. We have lift off of the Newfane Middle School Panther. No, it's okay. I got a program. Now it's going to go high. This is 40 inches. Yep. That's a somersault. You guys. And one more. And how do I know? It's programmed. Now it's programmed to come back to me. 1 flip. 5 seconds. 2 flips. And final flip, third flip, right here, right now. Now, can you imagine this having Amazon and doing a job of going over somebody's backyard and dropping off a package? Like, right now, it's going to drop right in front of me. Look at this, right on cue.